Good day, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. It is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. Today we're going to talk about CIDM. Go over some technical details here. We made a previous call on this. In fact, we informed everyone that we will be entering the market on this. We'll take a really quick visit on that video. We're not going to listen in. We're just going to look at it. And, if you guys are just joining us, welcome in. Hit that subscribe button. We actually nailed this call, guys. Join us here on our journey. Leave a comment so that I can personally welcome you into the charts. Thanks for joining us. And this engagement truly pushes the channel out there, guys. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel. Thanks to you guys. Okay, I really appreciate that. Including our loyal subscribers. Welcome back, guys. Let's go ahead and dive into CIDM and see where this price is headed. So, yeah, let's do that at this time here, shall we? All right, so today is January the 13th, 2021, and the previous close of CIDM is going to be 0.8550. It's down about 1.7% for the day. Okay, a little cold here, guys, so excuse me. Hit the thumbs up. Maybe I can get better there, help me out. All right, so it looks like the boxes are still the same, guys. We reached the top of this box up here at about 92 cents. For those of you just joining us, we entered the market right here at this red line at about 60 cents, and it looks like the price is continuing to bounce around in this range. And I know some of you are asking me, are going to ask rather, is it time to sell? Should I get in the market? Should I get out of the market? Remember, guys, please have your entry and exit plans predetermined before you hit that buy button. Okay, I can't tell you where to sell, guys. But what I'm going to be doing, if you guys didn't watch our previous video, my price targets are still the same. Nothing has changed, guys. The price targets overhead, if you guys are just joining us, we're looking at a $7.10 up to $7.80. My problem is, or my vague understanding is how to time this stuff. I'm not really good at timing, how long it would take, because the buyers just need time to just kind of have a discussion with the sellers within a particular range. I know that sounds weird, guys. Remember, it's just a story, and I can see it, what's playing out in the charts, and just kind of know or have a weird understanding of what's taking place in the markets as the price action develops. Okay. And as I'm looking at the story here, the buyers and the sellers are just trying to figure out, okay, the sellers are like, listen, man, we got some areas down here that we would like to just kind of stay in before you guys blast off to the upside. So we're probably going to keep you guys trapped down here, maybe revisit the 60-cent level and just kind of hang out in here. Let's just hang out here for a little bit, and then we'll join you on this thrust to the upside, but just allow us to exit some of our positions in the market here. That's what the sellers would say. God, that sounds so weird. All right, let's get to, I do have my overhead targets, guys, and I guess let me just show you guys one of the reasons why, or one of the things that I notice in charts to suggest whether or not the buyers or the sellers are starting to gain or lose control. And then what we're going to do is focus on just these 5 candles here. Stick with me here, guys. Listen all the way to the end of the video, guys. Some just kind of peek in and they just kind of leave out, and with whatever information they think is useful for them. Please listen to the end, guys. So we're going to pay attention to these 5 candle setups here, okay? Now, this small setup right here leads me to believe that the buyers probably have more control than we think in this market here in the short term. Even though we closed a red candle today, that doesn't bother me at all, guys. In fact, I like buying on red candles. My ideal buy in the 4 to 8. I got to make a video on that 4 to 8%, and just kind of really break it down for you guys. Please don't try to use that. And like, if you see a stock down 4 to 8% and just start buying it down. No, don't do that. Okay, please don't do that. Okay, stick with me here, guys. We're gonna get through these markets. Okay, just follow me and try to understand the stuff that I'm saying. But let's get to what we're looking at here. So these 3 candle setups here. Let's take pictures to the red candles. Okay. So the sellers, these are weekly candles, by the way. It took the sellers 3 weeks to go from a price tag of 92 cents up here, okay, all the way down to 59 cents. Okay. It took the sellers 3 weeks. Stick with me here. And there was a decline of about 36%. Okay, so that's what the sellers had. So if you're the seller, and I say, okay, that's all you got, my friend. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my green candles, and I'm going to give it a shot. Okay, and let's see how much I have. Okay, so the buyer stepped into the market here with these two green candles. Okay, right here, and they pushed the price up approximately. Let's just see how much of an increase of 60% to the upside. So hopefully you're with me. The sellers, it took them 3 weeks to push the price down a total of 36%. But it only took the buyers 2 weeks to push the price up 60%. So why is that information relevant, Mr. Napoleon? Please stop talking weird like that. No, I'm not going to stop talking weird like that. Okay? This means that the buyers actually have more of an advantage here. Why am I saying that? Because it took the buyers only 2 weeks to make a 60% thrust to the upside. And it took the sellers 3 weeks to make a 36% move to the downside. That's a sign of exhaustion. Okay, that means the sellers they're getting a little bit exhausted. And the buyers are probably going to start cranking this thing up to the upside. And the sellers had better get out of the way because things are probably going to get a little bit bullish. And that doesn't mean it's going to just fly to the upside. You have to expect volatility. I'm actually looking for a price just over $1.15, $1.16. For those of you who are going to ask, where's my price target? I think that could happen in probably the next 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. And another thing that I'm noticing here, guys, remember, this is a low, and you know what we look for. Okay. Don't complicate this stuff, guys. Please turn off the news. I know people get offended when I say that. I'm going to keep saying it. Turn off the news. I don't look at that stuff. We're looking for higher highs and higher lows. Here we go. Up, high, low, higher, low. Up, high, higher, high, higher, low. So they're going to try to make a higher high. Okay. If it breaks through this green line, that's fine. And this isn't guaranteed, guys. Please don't use this as financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my portfolio. This is our journey. We just want you guys to kind of listen in and just kind of listen to the weird story that I say sometimes, okay? Thank you for your patience, guys. But let's just close this out here. But I really do love telling the story, guys. Like, I'm really passionate about it if you guys haven't already realized that. Read my About Me and the channel, the bio, and I think you guys will have a better understanding as to why I'm doing this. There's like a really pretty sentimental purpose as to why I'm approaching these markets this way and doing it in such a unique fashion. So just read the bio and put 2 and 2 together. You'll understand why I'm doing that. Excuse me. So that's it, guys. I have a price target of which this could have been summed up into 1 minute video. Price target just above $1.16. But this must take place within the next 2 to 3 weeks, and I think it's important. What I'm probably gonna update you guys probably within the next week. So stop asking me like update. And you have to give it time. Like, people are asking me to update the price and when it's down here and it's going up to like 68 cents. Like, give me an update and it's still going up. Give me an update and it's still going up. Like, just relax, guys. The price is going in your favor. I'm not sure where you guys bought in, but for those of you who actually participated with us down at 60 cents, like, you guys don't need an update. Just hang on there. Hang on, cowboy. We're gonna get there. All right, so that's my price target. Hopefully you guys got that. Hopefully, don't take this stuff offensive, guys. I speak like that. Like, if you like knew me, like that's how I talk. I'm not like being offensive. Okay, if you can't handle that, then it's probably not the place for you. That's my target, guys. $1.16. I want to see how the price reacts to that level, potentially again over the next 3 weeks. If we start to get a little, fuzzy up here at this 93-cent level, so to speak, fuzzy. I'll give you guys a revisit just to let you know what's going on. But again, this negative day doesn't concern me at all, guys. We just have to give this some time. There's a few moving averages that I'm not going to show you guys on here. I like to keep my charts really clean and crisp so you guys can see what's going on. It's not complicated. Just understand the what's going on between the buyers and the sellers. Okay. So as far as a downwards risk, I don't really know, guys. I mean, we entered the market pretty strategically, and I don't know as far as like downwards pressure. We still got about a day and 19 hours to close on this weekly candle. So I said this like 3 times already. 3 weeks up to 3 weeks. I'll give you guys an update probably every week, once a week, to see how the price responds to $1.16. So that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know if you guys stared that bear in the face when the price went down to 60 cents, and you told him, look, no. I don't know what you think you're doing, but Napoleon Macro sent, man, you smashed that buy button. Let me know down in the comment section how many of you guys hit that buy button and you looked at that bear in the face and you told him, yeah, nice try, bud, and you smashed that buy button. Let me know down in the comment section, guys. It's Napoleon Macro. I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. If you guys are just joining us, we also covered before you go, we also covered the alternative markets, Bitcoin and altcoins. So subscribe with us. We'd love to have you here with us. Join us in this small, weird community here. And thank you for your time, guys. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon, guys. And bye for now.